All of you should know me by now. I am DP Robertson. For years, it has been my goal to help people navigate the world of trading. That's why I've spent years testing thousands of indicators and strategies here on my channel. And recently, I announced that we have partnered with Will from Will Trades to create a futures and prop firm training division shoot off of the Academy of Forex. With over 6 years of experience, Will is not only a profitable but knowledgeable trader. And through his Discord, he teaches people how to become just as profitable every single day as he coaches them, teaches them, and trades with them right side by side, calling out exactly where he's taking his trades. You can find a link to his Discord down below in the description. If you use the link down below in the description, you get a 5-day free trial, as well as access to his Discord and access to the Academy of Forex Discord with all the benefits that go with that as well. This is going to be a daily trading recap video, so let's go ahead and jump right into that video.
In these wicks, guys, that is not like good PA. But entered right here, still in these pretty decently, pretty nice position, but I still want I want more of a drop here. So pretty much at a break-even stop for me right now. All right, can we actually drop? Thank you. Now can we actually actually drop though? Let's go. I want a lot more from this. I don't want just a little this drops and then that's it. Like, can we actually get something here? Again, I'll move mine to break even right here if we get another push. Let's go. Still in these. You guys can take profit when you guys feel comfortable. I want to add more to this. So for me, if we can continue dropping, but I'm at break even stop now. I'll add again on my next contract at next low. So I'll add another contract at next low drop here. So at the next low, if it continues pulling on back, I'll get in again. And then I'll get out at the next low drop. But I'm up nicely on these. Let's go. I still think we have a lot more room to the downside here. Yeah, we're hitting here. I think we can come all the way down to these lows right here. Let's go. All right, next drop. All right, just sold. I'm going to sell another one here. Since I just added, I'll sell that next one. I'm going to sell one here at the next drop low. All right, just sold one of my NQs. Now I'm just holding one NQ right now. And I am just going to hold my last NQ all the way down to here, honestly. Let's go. Let's go, guys. This is actually playing out so nice. We got a trend right here. Got to be aware of that. Oh, this is nice. Let's keep dropping here. Oh my gosh, guys. We should be making some crazy money. Getting out next low here. I'm out. Let's go. Let's go. Who caught that? Who caught that? You guys should have caught that. That's what we were looking for. That's the volume we were looking for, guys. I was down like 400, made back it. I'm up 616. 616. No, 616. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy.
All right, so now that you've seen how simple it is to become a profitable trader, as Will not only teaches you, but calls out those trades in real time, exactly where he is taking them and how he is taking them. Go ahead and click the link down below in the description. Again, you'll get a free 5-day trial where you can join us as we are taking those trades in real time and see exactly how great the community is over on Will's Discord. And again, make sure you use the link down below in the description. That way you can get access to both the Discords and all the benefits that come with that. And we will see you on the inside.